After him the catch. The Jew's getting stuck on the doors, look. Mugs. With the mugs. Get your mugs out. Hi everyone, look at my new caravan.
Did you hear that?
That is posh camping.
Do you remember? Do you remember when we? Well, so today we've done it.
So for the last time this year, well, until the next one in February, this year, we're in October, aren't we? See, too early, we've done too much this week. We're walking across this car park, heading towards the show. It's very different weather today. It's really quite cold and miserable. So this is the car park today, and it's only early. And a lot of people have turned up early today, look. So I think it's going to be very manic in there today. Look at some of the people you can meet if you come to the NEC. We just bumped into Rich Priest's Life Adventures. Good morning. How are you this morning?
Yeah, not bad, you?
Yeah, good, thank you.
Yeah, got up, had a nice bit of breakfast.
Yeah.
Chilled out and come in here, but we're a bit early.
Well, coffee first though. Coffee first. Accessories. Meet up with a few more friends, and then we're going home. We've had enough. We're absolutely shattered. So we'll see you in there. After him the catch. The Jew's getting stuck on the doors, look. On our last day, look at this, how quiet it is in here. Again. Hey? Accessories, so we're going straight down to accessories. Look how quiet it is, beautiful. Beautiful. That's a lot of couch there. Well, the van's stopping there. Grab this instead.
This is a Sherwood.
By Nottingham Forest.
No.
Oh, bad design.
It's a Sherwood. Aldis.
Oh, Aldis Sherwood. It's a twin axle. Like must have bunk beds or something, isn't it? This is the design, the layout. Looks nice anyway. Caravans these days are absolutely beautiful, aren't they? Oh, let's take you in. Wow, some room in here, isn't there? Wow.
Like, this is good, isn't it? If you've got children.
Good if you've got children. I don't think it's very good if you're just adults. Unless you put your dog on the bed. 2 dogs. With a sheep. Nice, so big shower. It's got the step in so you can sit down. You know, it's impeded by the wheels as usual. And Julio taking the.
This is the bathroom.
Toilet.
So you've got your toilet there. And you've got your nice mirror. Hello. You even get free soap with this one. And you've got your cupboards to put all your bits and pieces in. You've got your cupboard underneath. Can't open that one, I don't want to break it. You've got a cupboard under there, 2 shelves.
Breaking things in there.
No. It's a very big shower, isn't it? It's got a
big 2-way fridge.
yeah,
Oh,
domestic.
must have locked this one, yeah.
Yeah, I got it's that side.
Oh, right. You're not open the other way, not a 2-way fridge then.
I don't think this one is
Oh,
a
it's just a
2-way.
1-way fridge then.
Yeah. So we've got this fridge in our motorhome, but ours opens both ways.
Yeah. Now it's
And
compressor
you
fridge, isn't it?
Microwave.
Microwave.
You got your microwave.
Or, as what his name says, it's a microwave.
Yes. Yeah. I like the skylight. The skylight's beautiful.
It's comfortable.
Can't you just smell the newness?
Yeah, it's lovely.
And it's got a full Thetford oven
Grill, yeah.
and grill. And a hot plate. It's got a hot plate on it.
You burn a hob, yeah.
Your burner and a hot plate.
You even have to spatula in so you can mack yourself something straight away.
And that, how much is that one?
This one is 36,397.
It's 36. So this one's a Coachman, a VIP 575. What's the name to the mugs? Look at
Hey,
these
like them
mugs.
Yeah. Do you with the mugs? Get your mugs out.
Aye.
Nice. You do that quite a lot in a lot of things now. With these skylights and stuff. So I just press the screen.
So in here, this you've not got the big fridge. You've got a small fridge freezer.
I do like the bed. I like the bed's much better for me.
Yeah. Microwave at the top.
Microwave.
And piece of resistance. I love the bed.
That is a nice bed, I must say.
So you come around here and you've got like your little dressing room area.
Very nice.
And then this is, what I've got no words.
It's stunning.
It is stunning. It oozes class.
Oozes.
Oozes class. Look at the size of that shower.
See there, that's a proper shower. No impedance.
Yeah, I love the bowl as well. The bowl, but this fan is absolutely stunning.
Coachman's all good ones on Aldi heating.
I do love this bed.
These are little bedside cabinets and stuff. Beautiful. Isn't
See,
it?
there's a way of this one, because if you had this bed and because it pulls out, you could actually one go on one side and one go on the other.
Yeah.
And pull it out from that way.
Yeah. There's TV. You can sit on there, but that's your TV points. Nice.
Beautiful.
Very classic, I would say.
Yeah. Well, you've got a built-in radio here as well. Look.
Yeah. So I like these cupboards. They've made good use of all the space, and so that's good space. And even these little cubbies here, you know, they made really good use of space.
So that's the Coachman.
How much this one is then?
Let's see how much the Coachman is. Is it in the window?
So,
Here we go.
It's 35,745 after cashback plus delivery.
Wow.
Nice,
Yeah.
That's nice as well.
We've been in there. We've just been in that, haven't we?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Like you.
Just losing the footing. Hi everyone, look at my new caravan.
Not really. But I like this here, look.
I don't know what that means on there. It says on the radio, no stain. No stain. I mean, you can't stain there.
So in this one, what is this one?
This is another Coachman.
It's another Coachman. So you've got all like generous cupboards.
This is like the other one, I suppose, isn't it? But this is
Yeah.
an end island bed and not a mid island
Yeah,
bed.
so your bed's this way. But to me, that bed looks wider than. So it's a really nice bedroom. You got your cupboards above. You've got a wardrobe on either side. You can close this door, can you? Oh, it's a slide. It just...
Bye.
Bye bye. So you can put. Ooh, I fell. So you can close that off if you want you to during the day. Shower again, massive shower. And this is your bathroom. Wow. So we've done a view of some 3 caravans. All stunning. But it's personal preference to what you are looking for. Personally, I like the ones with the island bed. But they're all stunning. Did you hear that?
So, like I said, we're just looking around for the accessories that are open. There might not be much open yet, but at least we're in the right place before all the crowds come in. But where are we now? What hall are we in? Hall 10. We were in hall 20, now we're in hall 10, so we're quite far down.
These are the ones that are thingy tune.
There's a cow.
There's a cow, look, Highland cow. Yeah, you wouldn't give that to Max, no?
Yeah, I would.
No, you wouldn't, you'd keep that for yourself.
No, I'll do it to
It's a drama alarm.
I like that one.
No, sure.
It's lovely to be dog.
I think he'd chew through that
He would
one.
do, yeah, within about 3 seconds. Big teeth, yeah. Some lovely stuff on here though, look. For your doggies. little Christmas boxes. Got your name tags. Got deodorising sprays and stuff.
Oh, I like that.
And you've got like your Christmassy type ones for your dog toys.
Which one are we having for him?
What? Well, I don't know. Don't ask me. Morning, you okay?
Morning.
I'm worried.
Why?
Did you hear that security announcement just now?
Yeah.
Attractive items, particularly at risk. That's me.
I know.
I'm now
Oh
at risk.
my god.
You have to
It's
hide in
very
the.
worried. Very worrying
You're
times.
gonna have
I've
to.
got
It's
a mask.
why I never kiss anybody lying on a stretcher. Because you might get carried away. Morning, sir. I'm worried.
This is how ours is supposed to be, isn't it? We've got this one with the sound bar.
It says, yeah.
Listen to the sound quality on that.
So could you?
Yeah. Oh wow, look at these for people that like trailer tents. It's folding camper. But that is there over there, camper, folding camper. Oh look.
I think these are okay, so they do like little flimsy things.
Yeah. Look at this. Oh, that's not bad, is it? Look. Pre-order. 29,995. And then you pull out.
Posh camping.
Oh yeah. That is posh camping, isn't it?
Wow. That's nice.
Wow.
That is posh camping.
Do you remember? do you remember when we had one of these and they were really old fashioned, weren't they?
Wasn't like this. That was funny. Well, these are beautiful. I mean, look at this, the pull out, the cooker. Amazing bit to get. 80 litre water, fresh water, 240 litre storage tanks, showers, bloody everything with them, aren't they? Wow.
Give up the motorhome and buy one of these.
I'd have one of these. Loads of room in there, that's crazy. Absolutely crazy.
All on there and everything.
What have we done
Taking my jumper
there?
off.
Your hot stuff.
Yeah, always.
Can't they? They've got motor movers and everything these days. What's just showing you how to repair a air tube. It's just showing you the air tubes you can repair them if they go wrong. So a lot of people do worry about having air owners and stuff, but they are quite easily replaceable. Not replaceable, repairable. Good try, Craig. Get my words mixed up. It is folding campers, Pennine and Conway folding campers.
Wow, look at this one.
So they used to have these, yeah? Pathfinder. Beautiful.
Wow, it's even a washroom in it.
It's nice, ain't you? Why set up with 2 when you can have 5-star? 5-star luxury glamping accommodation. Wow. That's nice. Look at this. It's like proper. It's like it's like having a big caravan but without all the caravan hassle, isn't it?
Yeah. But it's a hassle putting this up.
Yeah, but is it?
It will be for me and you.
It will be for us, yeah, that's why we got a motorhome.
Do you know do you know the windbreakers? We actually call them divorce in a bag.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
can you imagine what this is?
That's more than divorce in a bag, isn't it, though? So I remember years ago, you saw one of these. It's a Camplet, this is, look how low it is. We had a Camplet Concorde. So out this one I had before, it used to fold just an half, that's why it's so low. So when these are down, they're tiny. There's any pictures of them anywhere, but what kind of price are these now?
Here's one like that's folded up to the side.
Oh yeah,
the
you
little
do.
camper.
Campless. So this is what they look like when folded, and they're absolutely amazing. They take seconds to put up. They're really, really good. I mean, ours was a really old one, but you can see how the footprint of them's tiny.
Well, so today we've done a thing, and we said we wasn't going to, but it was too much of a bargain to not. And because we live in it full time, we've put all our investments into it, and we've decided to buy this beauty. So me and Craig, we're the proud owners of a Rapido 854. Watch us on our travels.
And we'll do a review, full review, soon when we get it.
Yeah.
So we come to the end of our time here at the NEC.
Yeah.
We hope you've enjoyed all the footage. Please like, subscribe to the channel. Comments, all welcome. Definitely subscribe though, and like. It's all free.
Thank
all
you
free.
for the new subscribers.
Thank you for all
and
the new
the old.
subscribers as well. Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you for following.
Yeah, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye now.
Bye bye.